C10 News Pinpoint Weather Super 7-Day Forecast.
A good turnaround for the Aztecs, a big turnaround for our weather. A couple of days in a row where we had obviously all that rain. And then this weekend, much different story. Fairly clear skies, the sun was shining down. Much different from where we've been. More than an inch of rain in Chula Vista, Fallbrook, close to 3 inches in Palomar Mountain. This is cumulative, pretty much combining your Christmas Eve totals and your Friday totals. But yeah, it was a lot, but nowhere near what some of the areas to our north received, leading to all those dangerous conditions and the mudslides and that flooding. Last few hours over the satellite and radar, not a ton to keep in mind, except, how about this? A new watch and warning popping up. The high wind watch going into effect Monday and pretty much lasting into Tuesday afternoon. That's because Santa Ana winds are back. You'll feel them tomorrow. Not as gusty, obviously, as what we're going to get on Monday, but for the most part, the valleys and the mountains sustained winds could be between 15 to 30 miles an hour. Some of the strongest gusts likely to clock in around 45 to 60 miles an hour, and that stands true into Tuesday as well. So that's when winds are going to be peaking. In the meantime, as far as our sky conditions go, not a whole lot going on. Mostly sunny all day today, mostly sunny on Sunday, mostly sunny Monday too. All that before some big changes are back with more chances for showers about a week from now. Sunday's highs, a pretty big rebound actually from where we're topping out at today. We're back to average on the coast and pretty much across the board. Today we're about 5 degrees below normal for pretty much everyone. So it'll feel warmer. It'll look just as nice. A beautiful Sunday on tap. Then we get breezy even on the coast. You're not under that wind advisory Monday and Tuesday, but you'll feel a bit of that breeze as well. Overnight lows fairly cool. Look at us bottoming out into the 40s. But again, temperatures are right back to where we expect them to be. But that rain is returning. Once we get past the Santa Ana winds, more showers are in the mix. A chance picks up on Christmas Eve, but rain really isn't likely until we get tonight. I keep saying it's Christmas Eve. Max, that already happened. New Year's Eve. And then New Year's Day, we're expecting rain, and that could continue the next couple of days to start the new year. So we could get a stretch of 3 days in a row where 2026 is beginning with some showers. The 1st, the 2nd, and the 3rd. The deserts as well could receive some rain. Not as likely, but it looks like just about everyone is guaranteed to receive some precipitation January 1st.